Maybe that's the reason why they decide to change it. Welcome, guys, and we have the 2002 F350 today. This is what we're gonna be doing. And this one, guys, comes with leather. It's still looking good, but we're gonna make it even better, guys. Rear seat. Maybe that's the reason why they decide to change it. We don't really know. But for sure, we're gonna make an upgrade in this one, guys. And let me show you what is gonna go there. This is the black wrap, guys, with silver stitch. And the color in the center is smoke. So we're gonna smoke it, guys, with black wrap. Silver stitch, guys, and that's what is gonna be there. Remember to visit LeatherTeck.com, buy upholsterytechnology.com so you can order your kits and save hundreds of dollars in the next order when you fill up the form right there, guys. And look forward for the before and after pictures for this job, guys, because you want to see how beautiful this looking crappy kit is gonna look once we have it installed in the vehicle, guys. Look forward for those before and after pictures. Like and subscribe, guys, and if you find this content useful, let me know. If you want me to show you different elements of this installation, also let me know. We have already a full tutorial about this truck, but if you have questions, please put it in the comments. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.